Hey, welcome into Mud's Closet. This is Miriam, and I have a Sipsby unboxing. But honestly, I have 7 months of Sipsby unboxing. I began subscribing to this after the first of the year, and I intended to do a monthly video, and I didn't get that done. So I thought I was going to take a few moments now and open up each box. And I did open a couple here and there, but some of these will be the first time I'm seeing them too. So without further ado, this is the February 2019 Sipsby box. So my February teas are listed on this paper. You and me, little postcard. That's cute. A little Valentine, I'm sure, for February. A saffron rooibos is here. Looks like there's 3 of those. Pucka Love, there's 4 of those. And I've had this tea before. I do really like that. Rose, chamomile, and lavender. And it's really, really lovely in the evening. Sipsby always gives me a bag of bags. What is this one? Gunpowder Black. Country of origin is China, made of tea and nothing else. Zhucha black tea from the Fujian province of China, also known as black pearls. I don't know if we can get the light of the glare off that. Those are some really nice pieces of tea. On my tea journey, I'm finding that I really want real tea leaves. And then this is David's Tea Organic Saigon Chai. So this is a ½ ounce, 15 grams. So that's really a nice selection. I think that I will enjoy all of the February 2019 teas. This is March, and this is the first time I'm opening this one. It looks lovely. Triple Berry Sweet from the Fava Tea Company. Black tea, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries. That sounds pretty delicious. That's a kind of oh, you can see it there. Kind of a hefty sample. Again, our bag of bags. White pomegranate tea from Davidson's, 4 tea bags. What seems to be the standard is if it's a tea bag, you get 4 of them. Chocolatey white tea with herbs and real dried pomegranate. I do like white tea, so that looks like fun to me. Miracle Tree Moringa organic tea, 4 of those. And Truly Spicy Green Tea. Tulsi, which is holy basil, green tea, cinnamon, and cloves. That looks delightful. And that's 0.4 ounces, so just under a ½ ounce. Ascend postcard from Davidson's, and it looks like Miracle Tree, which is the manufacturer of this moringa tea, has a postcard in here with a superfood chart. So that's kind of neat. That looks like a good month. April. I did open this one. I remember that because Tart Tea to the Party by Tea Kitten was not in this box. And so I sent them an email, and it's supposed to be in the next one, but again, I didn't really follow up on that. Ahmed Tea London, nice postcard from them. There must be some of that in here. So instead of the Tarty to the Party, I got this Buddha tea. And this is kind of neat packaging. I'm actually a little weird about packaging. I love this little sleeve. Calm Buddha blend. but it doesn't say what's in it, and that one is not on my card, so I'm not sure what the calm blend is. I probably could look that up online. But again, and I do, one of the things that I've noticed about individual tea bags is that if they're paper tea bags, they really don't keep very well. And if they're foily tea bags like this is, the tea does really stay fresh for much longer. I'm very excited for Harney & Son Paris. There's 4 of those, and Harney & Son makes loose tea and different kinds of tea bags. So this is a sachet, single silken sachet, or sachet if you like to use that verbiage. These are really lovely. They're big, they have full leaves in them. Sometimes Harney & Son is just a regular old traditional tea bag, and I haven't loved those. They don't have as full a leaf in them. Ahmed English breakfast tea. Those look good. And then Pukka turmeric. An invigorating blend of the finest organic turmeric, ginger, and galangal. I don't know if I'm saying that right, and I don't think I know what that is, so I'll have to do a little research on that. And I think I'm pronouncing this right. I would think with the 2 Ks that makes the U not long, but a little shorter or softer, so Pukka tea. But I like that brand. So even though I didn't get the tarty to the party, this was a good box. The May box. And there is a good quantity. My goodness, these look nice. This is that Made of Tea and Nothing Else by Mudan White Tea. Country of origin is China. This is a good sized bag, and I love, you can see, let's see if I can get the glare off that. These are big, full leaves, and so not only is there a lot of area to steep, but these are beautiful in the process, which I really enjoy. Our bag of bags, Tea Head Herbal Tea Strawberry Blend. I think this might be the replacement for Tarty to the Party. It doesn't say that, but it is the same logo as the Sipsby, and that's who was the... So this has elderberry, hibiscus, apple, black currants, flavoring, blackberry, strawberries, raspberries, wild strawberry leaves. That sounds nice. It's we're into September now, but this seems like it would be really nice iced, which is probably why it came in the summer. Nepal tea, I am uncertain about that. Kanchenjunga Verde. The Verde, of course, would indicate green, and I love green tea, so that looks yummy. Jasmine Pearl, Mango Ceylon. Ceylon, of course, is now known as Sri Lanka, but it still indicates where the tea came from. And I've been curious about this brand, so that'll be fun to try. And I like mango. Mother's Little Helper from David's Tea. And I really like most anything I get of David's Tea. This one is 9 grams. Minty, citrusy, and relaxing. Organic peppermint, lemongrass, hibiscus, rosehip, chamomile, valerian root, corn flowers, and natural peppermint flavoring. And that sounds really yummy. And then the literature, it looks like the jasmine pearls. Oh, $10 tea cash. I'll have to take a look at that. And then $50 on this wine thing. I'll have to take a look at that. All right. Well, that was a good box. I have to tell you, opening them up all at once, I'm really kind of impressed. June. Full Leaf Tea Company, Organic Kingston Earl Grey. Oh, black tea, bergamot. Usually black tea and bergamot is Earl Grey, and grapefruit. That looks delightful. Our bag of bags. Tea-chino. I've been curious about this. This is an herbal coffee alternative, no caffeine. And it seems like it's maybe like instant coffee. So that's very curious. Dark roast, all-purpose grind. Oh, it is not instant coffee. It's drip or traditional brew. Nice. Reishi Mushroom Hero, dark infusion with a coffee-like taste from a blend of adaptogenic mushrooms and roasted roots. I'm excited about that. Mushrooms are huge in traditional Chinese medicine, and the reishi mushroom especially. So, and adaptogenics are something that I've been doing a little research on, so that's kind of cool. And Taiwanese oolong, and that's very exciting. I'm drinking oolong as we speak. That's one of my new faves. And it's called Homesick. A warm, mellow tea to fill the void. That's lovely. Postcards from two of us, or us two, I guess. I've been reading that wrong. That goes with that. And the Tea-chino herbal coffee alternative. So there's some reading to do there. What a lovely box. Next is July. Tiesta tea, peachy keen. This is really quite a large bag. 1 ounce, and I can actually smell that peachy in there. That looks lovely. Another Nepali tea, Kanchenjunga Noir, so that's a black tea. They sent 2 of those. Last time they only sent 1. The bag of bags, another David's tea. I have to tell you, I get so excited when I see David's tea. Cinnamon rooibos chai, sweet, spicy, and soothing. I'm not totally sure about rooibos. Sometimes that upsets my stomach, so we'll have to see what happens with that. And then this looks like an instant mango green tea, Kusa tea, premium instant tea, and there's 4 packets of that. And it looks like they've given us a buy one get one free code, which is really lovely. It's kind of nice with this particular subscription box. There are several ways to get at a discount the teas that you get to try. So if you like them, you get to pick them up. And lastly, August. This one just came. Already I'm excited by what I see here. The Yaopan Brothers green tea, Yaopan Holly tea. That, again, a brand that I've been kind of watching but ends up a little bit out of my budget. And here there's a code for 25% off if I decide to order from their website. That's very exciting. Our bag of bags. Udian tea, Ayurveda tea. That looks really interesting to me. Black tea, turmeric, ginger, clove, Indian ginseng, and moringa leaves. 10 grams, so that'll make a few cups anyway. That looks lovely. Bare leaves. Fujian oolong again. Oolong I'm just so excited about right now. Was grown in the eastern Fujian province, China. Medium oxidation level and toasty flavor. And this does feel like leaves, not dust. Mansa, wild Lao raw pu'er. Oh, pu'er. Pu'ers are, oh, I can't wait to try that. My goodness, August was a good month. And that's a Oh, 25% off for the Udian tea. Pu'ers oftentimes are pressed. Now a lot of times they come loose leaf, and single origin is even best. Pu'er is one of the only teas that are fermented, and you can steep 5 to 7 times. You usually start with a very short brew time. This says 30 to 60 seconds, and using Gaiwan teaware. And I don't know if I'm saying that word right. Sometimes it's Gong Fu teaware. I don't have that yet, so perhaps this will inspire me to find some within my budget. So this was fun opening these all up with you guys. A huge variety here from Sipsby. These are $15 a month for this subscription, and I do I like getting the box in the mail even if I haven't opened them. It's truly very fun. And I have a few other tea subscription services that I've participated in. This one is the most expensive. Some of the others are $10 a month. Adagio is $7 a month. But a lot of times what you're getting from the other tea subscription boxes, again, I really enjoy them. Generally one brand. You know, with Adagio, I get different flavors of Adagio tea, and that's great. I have been enjoying trying those teas, but with this I get, I mean, just as I'm pulling these all out of their boxes, there's such a variety here. You will go online and fill out a questionnaire that's really kind of intensive. It asks a lot of questions, and you get to rate these each month, which I did 1 or 2 months, the boxes that I opened, when I realized that I wasn't getting the kinds of tea that I really would like to have, which are things like the pu'ers and the oolongs, and maybe a fruity flavor, but not really, and maybe a spicy flavor. But it's really this kind of tea that I drink the most of and that I'm most excited about trying. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months of Sipsby all in one tape, and hopefully I'll keep up better. But now I'm looking forward to trying some tea. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you have a subscription service that you like, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And if there's a certain type of tea that you like, I'd love to hear about that too. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in a comment. Thanks for watching.